let's quickly have a look at what markets have been up to. 1.1% higher on the Nifty 50 index. So we've seen a very solid move on the Nifty. No doubts on that. And from the lows of the day, in fact, there's plenty of reasons to cheer. We've seen a solid 350 plus point move. And that means that despite one of the heavyweights, Reliance, not doing well, the Nifty has actually done extremely well for itself on a day like this. Let's quickly look at the contributors as well, because that'll give you the perspective. 66 negative points is what Reliance has contributed to the Nifty index today. But outside of that, you look at the gainers. One is the breadth, but the other is that's on the heavyweight sit on the gaining side. L&T, HDFC, Axis, ICICI, Bajaj Finance, dominated by financials. And on a day like that, you will tend to see the Nifty move in the green, just given the fact that the weightage of the financials in the Nifty 50 index. The Nifty Realty Index was up 2.5%. The Nifty PSU Bank up 2.5% as well. The Nifty, the Fin Nifty, the Bank Nifty all up 2+%. So it's realty and banking and financials which is really the tilt. The Defense Index, the Auto Index are just some of the other big movers in trade, 1% plus on all of those. Those were some of the outperformers in terms of sectors. The only possible chinks in the armor was the Nifty Oil and Gas and maybe the Nifty Pharma, which is just about managed to close in the green. But outside of that, you had a solid coat of red across all sectors. Broader markets, how did they fare? Well, not bad at all. 1.1% higher on the Nifty Small Cap, 1.5% higher on the Nifty Mid Cap. And from the lows of the day, we saw very strong recovery, especially on the Nifty Mid Cap Index. 2.5% nearly is the move from the bottom of the day. So some very good moves in terms of positive momentum build up. Of course, some stocks dominated the headlines, and within that was Senco Gold up 11, Trent up 8, and within the Nifty Pack, Trent was the top gainer as well. Reliance was the top loser. Avenue was the other one, 4% higher, Sale up 3.5%. Those were some of the gainers in trade today on the back of news, and we did see some moves there. The advanced decline, when you're looking at it overall as well, showed remarkable strength, and that was reflected across the board, which wasn't the case at the start of the day. So there was a decent bit of reversal towards the latter half, which played out. And yeah, so on the back of a very good day, I'd like to thank Kunal so much for joining us in studio. We'll let you go as well. And viewers, that's in fact all the time we have on Closing Trades today. From Aisha, myself, everyone who puts this show together, thanks so much for watching. Stay with us. More action on ET Now to follow.